Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to switch back to a personal account if you had a professional account on Instagram. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your profile page by selecting the little profile icon in the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And now you want to scroll down here. Underneath where it says for professionals, select account type and tools. Select where it says switch to personal account. So in my case, it's a professional account option because I currently have a personal account. But if you had a professional account, this option would then say personal account. You would select that and then walk through the on-screen prompts of converting your account to a personal account. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.